You ever feel like your mornings start in a rush? Or like you're already stressed before the day even begins? What if I told you that in just 5 minutes you could shift your whole mindset and help you feel more grounded, focused, and positive for the entire day? Get ready because in this video, we are going to break down the science behind the 5-minute journal. Here we go, my friends. If this is your first time coming to this channel, my name is Coach Luis Soto. I am a body and mind wellness coach. I am here to help you elevate your life through the trilogy of wellness: body, mind, and spirit. Let's get started. I'm going to show you how to use the 5-minute journal, a tool that combines science-backed prompts to create morning routines that take almost no time but can make a huge difference in your mood and productivity. Let's dive into how this actually works. First part is the gratitude practice. First, the journal starts by asking you 3 things that you're grateful for. This may sound simple, but gratitude has been shown to actually rewire your brain. When you take a moment to write down 3 things that you're actually grateful for, you're training your mind to look for positives in your life rather than focusing on the negative. Think of something small or big. Maybe it could be the sunshine, or connecting to a good friend, or having your morning coffee. Whatever makes you feel a moment of thankfulness, you want to write that down. The second part is setting daily intentions. The journal asks, what would make today great? This is a chance for you to set an intention for the day. Think about it as priming your brain to focus on 1 or 2 things that make you feel accomplished or fulfilled. By identifying what will make the day great, you're turning your mind to prioritize, so it's easier to stay focused. Today, a great day may mean going for a walk, making time to connect with a friend you haven't spoken to a long time, or focusing on a project that's been on the back burner. That creates clarity and purpose. And the last part of the journal is daily affirmations. You write down a daily affirmation, a statement about yourself, something that you're working on to becoming or believing of this ideal person. Like, I am confident and focused. I am resilient, capable of accomplishing anything I put my mind to. Research shows that affirmations boost self-esteem and encourage a growth mindset. By repeating affirmations, you're reminding yourself of who you're becoming and strengthening that new self-identity. And that, my friend, is as simple as doing it 5 minutes a day. This is the easiest way for you to create a morning routine that doesn't take any hard work. It's just like brushing your teeth every day. You're making it a new habit. And by doing these 3 things, your life is going to start changing from the inside out. Lastly, my friends, if this video created any type of emotions inside, then I want you to go to the comments. There'll be a link for you to grab your own gratitude journal, and make sure to write down exactly what you've been doing and what you're planning to do now, so by the new year comes, you're now a brand new person. I'll talk to you soon. Have an awesome day.